That is the tunnel. This is the tunnel. That is the tunnel. And it keeps on going. Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum, namaste, S.H.E.I.L.D. How's everybody? I am fine. The weather is good. It's a brilliant sunshine day, but very much chilly. Very chilly. You can't just walk outside. The wind is very sharp. By the way, did you see my glasses? Wearing this, I feel like going for a ski. Isn't it? Oh no, sorry. 1 minute. What is this? Wrong glasses. These are for my son. Hey, what do you think about my glasses? My friend has just come from Dubai and she bought 2 glasses, one for my son and one for myself. Hope you like it. Oh, safety comes first, isn't it? Okay, let's put the seat belt first. Today I am on a mission. Now you're gonna ask me what mission is it? I'm not gonna tell you now. I'm gonna tell you by end of this clip. The mission is very interesting mission. I'm going for shopping. Sometimes even when your cupboard is full, you feel like buying more things. For example, whenever I wake up in the morning, I just can't find anything decent to wear. And then I keep thinking, right, today I'm going to buy something new for myself. And then same thing with sandals. Your cupboard is full of sandals, but you still wanna buy more. Not only this, with your bags, your handbags, you keep buying them because you don't have matching bags for your dresses to hold with. So let me know in comments if you feel same, buying more clothes, more sandals, more bags every now and then. I would like to hear it from you guys. How often do you go for shopping? Right guys, I am here at my shops and I don't want to take you all with me because you guys are not allowed. What I'm trying to say is I'm not allowed to make any films in these 2 shops because previously I did ask them and they refused. So I will just go in like this and I will come back like this. These are the 2 shops, my favorite shop where I always go and buy my clothes from. Right guys, shopping is done. We are going, no. Before we go home, do you know where we are going to? Because I am starving, I am hungry. So, what are we gonna buy to eat? You know what is my favorite? Oh come on, you should know by now what I like to eat, guys. Come on, what is my favorite food? Come on guys, you should know by now what is my favorite food. My favorite food is... Right, I love to eat KFC. I am here, but they have only limited menus. So it's only Wicked Zinger meal which I can order now. Shame, innit? I love to eat broto, which is delicious mixed with wrap and rice, but they don't have it today. Oh. Never mind, give me anything. I am really starving. I'm really hungry. Before I die. Come on guys, hurry up. Come on guys, hurry up. I'm starving, hungry, I'm dying. Oh God, hurry up. Come on. Why are they so slow today? Okay, got my meal, let's go. 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 I forgot to share with you one more thing, guys. Saturday night into Sunday morning, there was heavy snow, right? So, when I woke up in the morning, Sunday morning, I had overtime. I woke up like 4 o'clock and I opened my window and I look outside and my car was covered with snow. the whole road was like covered with white blanket. So I thought, nah, I'm not going. It's not worth going to work in this cold, because I thought I'll have to go outside and clean my car, and then, I don't know. I just phoned my workplace and I told them, sorry, I'm not coming. So because of this stupid snow, I have lost my overtime. So because of this stupid snow, I have given a bad impression to my manager as well. I mean, it doesn't look good when you make a commitment of something and then you don't turn up, innit? What have you lost in this snow? Tell me, guys, have you lost any business? Have you lost any overtime? Have you lost your working hours? What happened with your snow? Did you go to work? Comment me. I would like to hear from you guys. Hello? Hello, Shiru. Are you okay? What have you been doing all day? What have you been doing all day, Shiru? How was your day, baby? Are you okay? Hey? Are you alright? Right, guys, I am back home and I want to show you something strange is happening in my garden. Okay, somebody is digging a tunnel. Yes, a tunnel in my garden. Dun, dun, dun. Let me just show you. Right, before the tunnel began from here, so I have covered it with bricks. Then something started digging here. I've covered it with a brick, and now look at this. Look at this, guys. Look, the tunnel is going inside, and let me just show you from inside as well. It seems like my chickens are cold, so they have gone inside their room. Right, so the tunnel is here. Look, that is the tunnel, right? This is the tunnel. That is the tunnel. Another tunnel. Another tunnel. And it keeps on going. So, I don't know what's the reason behind all these tunnels. So if anybody know what is happening, please do let me know. Comment underneath. I think this is the mice which is trying to come in, and they have managed to come in, and now they are trying to dig it from inside to outside. But please do suggest me and let me know what needs to be done so I can stop them from coming inside. Let's go inside because it's very cold here. Okay, I will start with this one. I love this color, that's why I bought it. And it's like a casual dress, it's like a casual shirt. You can just wear it as a casual with jeans. I love this one. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't it? Why I am saying myself they are beautiful. You guys need to let me know which one is the best. Last but not least, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I love this one. I like it. This is the best. That's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap up my vlog here. And the mission I told you in the beginning, I'm on a mission, is I'm trying to record my voice in this small microphone. So wherever you will see in this clip, there is a microphone, the voice will be on the microphone. Wherever you will see the microphone is missing, the voice is without the microphone. So this was my testing for today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the voice is okay, and in future I'm gonna use it. That's it for today, and I hope to see you in my next vlog again soon. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye. 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 Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.